Hi, I'm Jim and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. Today we're in the workshop again to do a case study for the RAI-FIX. So mechanical fixing is a requirement where tiles are fitted above 3 meters and are more than the 300 by 300 in size. Doesn't matter about the thickness, the 300 by 300, whatever the thickness, you need a secondary mechanical fixing. So this is the RAI-FIX bracket, stainless steel, with a little tongue on here that's inserted into the back of the tile. So this is the plating close-up. Have the little tongue here with little teeth underneath to grab the slot in the tile. All of these holes are there so that you can position a screw fixing or a clout fixing into the substrate, and wherever you don't fix, the adhesive still comes through the hole. So what I'm going to show you today is a demonstration on this special tile that we've been asked to do some sample work on. Very difficult to do this tile on a flat surface, so what I've done is I've made a jig especially for this application. Just a few bits of timber, carefully positioned and thought out, makes the job so much easier. We'll pass these ideas on to the end user and then they can build a jig for themselves on site. So this is the assembly called the RAI cut. We sell this here at Tyler's Tools, with or without the grinder. The idea of it is that it cuts a slot in the back of the tile in 45 degrees. We attach the hose onto it here to the vacuum cleaner, and it's a very clean, easy process. So this is the assembly in the position it's going to be in for cutting. This is right, I've set it. I used a dummy piece yesterday just to get the settings right before we actually do the complete correct tile. So you've got an up and down gauge here for the depth of the cut into the tile. You've got up and down screws here to encapsulate the thickness of the tile, and my jig allows me to bring this it up to a stop on this side, so I know that every time I cut it's in exactly the same position. So when I do the cut, I'm going to turn on the vacuum cleaner so we're dust free, and obviously have to turn on the grinder, so there'll be a bit of noise and I'll be quiet while the process is going on. So you can see then the plate is inserted in here like that. Push the thing in and that's your mechanical fix. Okay, so I've turned the tile around the other way. I'm going to do the process again just to show you how quick it is using the jig and the vacuum cleaner and the assembly correctly. So I've inserted the clip into the back, and so you'll see it hangs perfectly. All these clips, the RAI-FIX clips, in 3 sizes. So we got the 6, 5 and the 8 mils. The 8 mils will fix without any epoxy, but for the 5 and 6 mils we do suggest you use an epoxy, and especially on this type of tile due to the nature of the shape of it. You know, it's important that you get a good solid fix on the back.